I'm shooting this clip here in Columbus, Montana. It's a different part of the river, but we're talking about how the Yellowstone River sorts rocks. And we're looking at the area where all the rocks were flat. And this is a different type of sorting that we can see is very clear here. Here, most of these small rocks are basalt, which it's another way of saying they're mafic, they're dark color, they're heavy compared to rocks of the same size of a lighter color. And now if you look, as I go over there towards the river, most of the larger rocks, look at the color change. It quickly goes from black, predominantly dark rocks, to predominantly light rocks. So this is another example of the sorting that goes on. And my theory is because the same amount of water pressure can move a larger, lighter weight rock than the smaller, or as the smaller, darker rocks. But it's pretty marked, the contrast. I just thought that was an interesting thing to show you guys. When you're out and about, remember that rocks can be sorted by size, shape, and also their specific gravity, how heavy they are in relation to the water. And as I focus there further away, look how the color gets lighter. The Yellowstone is such a big river when it floods, and it floods for a long enough period that it can create conditions that really do quite a bit of sorting. Jess wants to play fetch. So I wanted to show you guys here where we've approached that light colored gravel bar that I was showing you. Here you can see a lot of darker rocks, and then the larger rocks are almost without exception granitic of a lighter color. Thank you so much for coming along for today's video of the Yellowstone River flat rocks. I have exciting news for you guys. What we're seeing here are my rocks from San Diego, California, and specifically Tourmaline Beach. Lord willing, in January, just in a few weeks really, I will be heading down there, and I hope to do a lot of filming